Hello, here is a little video about knife maintenance. Actually, I would like to make like this video as a test, meaning I would like to make some more future video about maintenance of your knife and maybe something more complete. But I thought to start with a little video like here today to show you the process of daily maintenance or monthly maintenance about cleaning some surfaces around, cleaning your knife, putting a new polish on your knife, and then giving a new edge so the knife is clean, sharp, and ready to go again. So this is a Suji key, and actually there is a little bit of patina, mostly on the tip part of the blade, and the rest of it is not like dirty, but it's always good to make a little clean when you do a session of sharpening. So for cleaning the little surface around the hammered part, the spine and the choil, I'm using those little rust eraser sort of sponge or gum. Very useful little piece of kit. So this is a coarse one and this is a fine one. So I can use the coarse to do the spine of the knife, for example, and get rid of the rust or the patina that can be on the spine. Okay, I can do a little bit here on the choil. Be careful not to cut you at that point. Okay, and maybe a little bit with the finer one. I can do the hammer part just slightly, so I get rid of the patina and get some clean surface without any patina, or even worse, sometimes a little bit of rust. Depend how you use and how you care your knife, of course. Okay, that one is good. I can change my hand so I don't have my finger close to the edge. It can be securely cleaning, so you have to be a little bit ambidextrous for that, a little bit. You can always use the same hand, but working that way too. And then like that. Okay, so now we have a cleaner. Let's finish here. Okay. We have now a cleaner surface here, on the choil too. So we can now do a little bit of cleaning the bevel, giving a new kasumi, or just get rid of the patina actually. So I'm using this stone. This is a natural Japanese stone. It's about 4K, 5K. This is a Atoma plate, and I use it to just surface the stone and make it behave a little bit coarser, a bit faster. And I can put a little bit of sponge on the knife so I don't have too much bad particles on the knife. It means I will have only those 4K and not coarser grit. All right. So now I am polishing the bevel. So because the knife was stone polish, the surface is prepared. So if I'm using a stone to clean the bevel, it will touch the bevel quite well and polish it, clean it without missing some spots. Missing spots would be low spots, and low spots you have to get rid of it by using coarser stone and flattening evenly, make even your bevel. This is different video, not today. So here I'm just cleaning the bevel. Okay, I can go on a little bit on the tip because it was the part where it was quite a lot of patina and even a little bit of rust, so I need to clean that. Okay, far better. I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, again I can insist a little bit on the tip part because it was really quite a lot of patina here, and sometimes you would need a coarser stone. I like to start 4K because it's quite sweet spot. It will be effective, not too coarse, so it's quite a good spot to start. Okay, patina is gone. There's still maybe a little bit more work to do if you want it perfect, but start to be quite clean again. So now we can go and make a new edge. So just look at it and see if there is no much chip or little defect on it. I got something here and a little bit of patina again on the edge close to the tip, and a little bit of chips also very fine on the tip. So we're gonna use a little bit faster stone, which is synthetic 3K, and we're gonna make a new edge on the knife. So I'm putting about 15 degrees edge on this. Three K is not like super coarse. It's not the most fast stone. You would use 1K if you need really to grind a lot of material. So 3K you need to let a little bit the stone work on your bevel. Don't go too fast. I like to try using fine stone first, so I don't grind too much material, and if it's not enough I will use a 1K, and if it's not enough I will use a 400. Okay, checking if everything is all right, if I have erased the little chips, if I got a burr. I got a burr, a small burr, but I got a burr. And I can do now the other side. Again, don't go too fast. Just grind part of the part after part, meaning you start maybe for the heel part, then you are in the middle, then a little bit more toward the tip, then the tip. 3K is fast, but it's not fast enough for hard steel that you can just go from heel to tip in 10 seconds. You need a little bit more time. Okay, so I got the burr the other side now. I can also look at my micro bevel if everything is clean and well shaped. Looks good. So now I can deburr. So I put no pressure here. Just pushing my burr to go one side and another, and it's just breaking, so it's falling. Okay, and if I want, why not, I can use that natural stone to make a little bit thinner and also a little bit more natural feeling edge, meaning that natural stone are a little bit more random grit, so you don't have exactly the same edge as with a synthetic stone. Again, it's taking a little bit of time to clean the 3K synthetic, so just take a little bit of time to let the stone clean your micro bevel. Use most of the stone if possible. Okay, take a look. We can go the other side. Okay, let's have a look. Looks good. Deburring. That stone is a little bit hard, so it's quite interesting for sharpening, I think. Can really give a clean edge for the grit. Softer will be faster, but harder will be a little bit more precise. Okay, so now I got a clean edge, and I can now use that piece of balsa. So balsa or leather will finish deburring your edge. Okay, that's it. And you can test a little bit your knife on paper just to see if everything is alright. So now we got a knife that is all clean. We get rid of the patina, we clean the spine and the choil, and we even got a new edge, and it's ready to go. Okay, so if you have questions, please type it in comments, and see you next time.